Okay, I'm going to show you the easiest way to locate where to install SoftStart Well Pump. So in any of these submersible systems, you're going to have a submersible pump that's going to be down underground, hundreds of feet at least, a water pipe coming up, and you'll have wiring that will go into some sort of a control box. So it could be starting capacitors and such in there. We don't care about that. That's its own little world, whether it's 3, 4, 5 wire, it doesn't really matter. There will be some sort of a connection to a pressure switch on your pressure tank, and that's what sets the maximum pressure when the pump cuts off and also the minimum pressure when it cuts on. There will be wiring somehow from that over to your circuit breaker panel. So you're looking for a 15 or 20 amp double pole breaker, and it's going to be the one that's marked well pump, or should be. You're going to want to power that off, confirm that the power is off, because what you're going to need to do is on this length of wire, locate a good spot to mount SoftStart Well Pump, cut the wiring, and then install your blue twist lock connector and your gray twist lock connector. Now note that the blue one has to be on the side coming from the circuit breaker panel. The gray connector has to be on the side that's going over to the pressure tank, pressure switch, or whatever. If you get those reversed, you'll just simply blow this up. Also, it doesn't matter if you locate and mount SoftStart Well Pump so it's facing vertically or facing horizontally. It's whatever the easiest way to do that, that you have enough room. And that's how you locate it. Stand by for another video on how to put the ends on.